Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to emote in Roblox. If you want to do the emote play in the Roblox and you don't know how to do it, so don't worry, I'll show you how it can be possible. So simply open the Roblox in your browser. Once you have opened it up, then go to any game where you want to emote. Make sure you have already the emotes that you have purchased or the ones that you have get for free. Don't worry if you don't know how to get it, I'll show you in the video. Once the game gets started, then on the left top side you will see we have three lines. You have to click onto these ones and then you will see the option for emotes. There you will find your existing one. Click onto it. But as I click onto it, you see nothing happens, and here it shows us this option like switch to R15 avatar. Once I do it again, nothing happens and it shows you this error. So if that's the same case with you, then I'll show you what you have to do. Simply leave the game, and after that you have to simply go to the avatar, and there you have to click onto the option head and body. Once you click onto it, further some categories will open. From these you have to go to the body. As you click onto the body, it asks you to switch to R15. This is what we have to do, so you have to do it. If you couldn't find the option, scroll down a bit and you will see at the bottom you have to click on R15, not on R6. Simply get back and play any game again, and once the game gets open again, click onto the three lines from the top left, and after that you have to click onto the emotes. As you click onto the emotes will appear there. Click onto it and then you will see the emote will perform the emote. So that's how you can enable the emote option in the Roblox. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thanks so much for watching the video.